Welcome to my new channel, Karen Norwood Travel, and today we are headed to Covington, Georgia. You're probably going to be familiar with that when you see it from some of the TV shows. They've done Vampire Diaries there, as well as a new show called Sweet Magnolias. So we're on our way. So we made it here. We're in Covington, Georgia, and there is the infamous town hall with the clock that if you've watched any of the Vampire Diaries, they have this in the videos a lot. So they have some really great stores here, lots of clothing stores and just really interesting things. We found this store called Wild Art, and it was just so nice. It has a lot of, very souvenir type items and stuff, but they have all kinds of art kits in here that were very reasonable, very, very reasonable. Alright, so I'm sold. We went to Your Pie in Covington, Georgia, and it was fantastic. And of course, I always like to watch out for my little vegans, and they had vegan cheese and gluten-free dough. So it is an awesome place. The portion was perfectly sized. We got a 10-inch, and it was fantastic. I highly recommend coming here, especially my little vegans. But how about that? It's still here. This is where my daughter and I came several years ago. I brought her and got her some ice cream at the Scoops. Just a fun bit of trivia for Covington, Georgia. There has been over 125 movies and TV productions that have been filmed in the city and surrounding area. Here's the infamous Mystic Grill. If you watched any of the Vampire Diaries, you know that is where a great deal of their shots are done. Is at the Mystic Grill. And then we have the clock tower right beside it. There you go. Alright, so here we are in Covington, Georgia, on a very busy Saturday. The motorcycle in the background. And we knew that Vampire Diaries and more recently the Sweet Magnolias show was filmed here. But as walking around the town, we've noticed that there's quite a few movies that have been shot here in Covington as well. I think we saw the Dukes of Hazzard. We also saw a sign that said Cannonball Run was filmed here. So just a cute town, lots of great shops, lots of restaurants, and just a nice fun Saturday. We stumbled onto this fantastic antique mall that is a couple of blocks down from downtown called Antiques and Stuff. It is huge. It's over 28,000 square feet and has over 300 booths. They've been in business for over 18 years, and it is a really big antique mall. So we really enjoyed the town of Covington and all the wonderful food and stores, and then we stopped over here at this Antiques and Stuff antique mall that was really great, and just had a really great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I would love to hear any comments of any videos you'd like me to make, and my husband and I will see what we can do. So have a great day. I also have another channel called Chatting with Chops that I do a lot of vegan baking, baking for two, and low-calorie baking. So if you're interested in that, go over to YouTube and check out Chatting with Chops.